Good morning. I'm ready for breakfast. Grab a box of cake mix. We're gonna make cinnamon roll cake, also called honey bun cake. I'm using this Dolly banana cake mix I got from my friend Kimmy. In a little bowl, mix a cup of brown sugar with a few teaspoons of cinnamon. You can add some chopped pecans if you like. We're gonna start with our cake mix. The recipe calls for a standard yellow cake mix, but I think trying with banana will be a lot of fun. 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 8 ounces of sour cream. I'm gonna beat that all together for a couple minutes. I'm spreading half of that batter into a prepared baking dish. Sprinkle on that cinnamon sugar mixture and top it with that remaining batter. Now I'll bake it at 350 for about 45 minutes until nice golden brown and cooked. For the topping, I need to mix a cup of powdered sugar with a tablespoon of milk and a splash of vanilla. Cake is cooked. I'm going to prick the surface with a fork. Spread on that sauce, and we're going to let it cool for about 40 minutes. Cake for breakfast. Nice and gooey, very cinnamony, and you definitely notice that banana. It's a delicious treat. Goes great with a cup of ambition. Thanks, Kimmy. My mom's a radiologist, and she met my dad when he came in for an x-ray. I wonder what she saw in him.